Every year, millions of tons of metals like aluminium and copper power our infrastructure, energy systems, and industries. But behind this progress lies a hidden cost: resource depletion, high CO2 emissions, and massive waste from traditional linear processes: extract, use, and discard. This is where life cycle assessment, or LCA, plays a crucial role. LCA is a scientific method to evaluate environmental impacts across a product's entire life cycle. Modern LCA goes a step further, not just measuring emissions and water use, but also tracking circularity, reuse, recycling, and extended product life. However, current LCA tools are complex, data-heavy, and hard to use. Our solution? An AI-powered LCA platform that makes sustainability simple and actionable. It allows users to input process details, uses machine learning to fill missing data, and predicts both environmental and circularity indicators. The tool also compares conventional versus circular pathways and instantly generates reports with charts, insights, and recommendations. With this tool, metallurgists, engineers, and decision-makers can make smarter, greener choices, reducing emissions, improving resource efficiency, and advancing circularity in the metals sector. This aligns with global sustainability goals and supports India's vision for a resource-efficient future. Our AI-driven LCA tool is not just about measuring impacts, it's about driving the transition to a truly circular and sustainable economy.
Respected judges, so we are Team Apple and we are introducing our prototype on your problem statement AI-powered LCA tool for circularity and sustainability in metallurgy and mining industries. So LCA stands for Life Cycle Assessment. It is a tool for quantifying carbon. Apart from this, it is a modern LCA which focus on circularity and circular economy by promoting recycling. So this is UI of my website. So we created a machine learning model which is used to detect LCA and missing value from some amount of given inputs. And it also calculate carbon footprint. We have focused on real-time monitoring. Uh, for real-time monitoring, we have to implement some IoT sensor in our final prototype. So, and final smart report feature. It will generate a report from our input values. So this is the impacts of our project. So, so this is the main prediction page in which we have to insert some input values as mentioned by you in your problem statement. Like I have to select what kind of material which is used to done LCA. I choose aluminum on it. Then transfer the route road CARL. Then end of life treatment, it will go for recycling, landfill, reuse, incarnation. I recycle. Then I have to insert how many amount of quantity in kgs and total amount of electricity consumed and total amount of transportation kilometer from transportation of material from one point to another. So in this input box, I have to fill process one energy. Process one energy include diesel for mining trucks, electricity for crushing and grinding. So I have to fill this. So this is the process to energy. For example, electricity for extraction, casting, rolling, heat energy in furnaces, process stream in chemical industries. So this is a step three, process three. It include electricity used by metal component in operation, like wires in electrical grids, energy needed to collect, transport, and recycle scrap material. So this is step three, process energy. So this is the value which uh, given by an engineer or metallurgist. And after clicking on it, it will generate a complete dashboard. I created Fast API backend with a random forest-based machine learning model in it, and it is almost 80% accurate as a prototype, and we target to increase its accuracy up to 90% in our future project. So after clicking on download report, it will generate a report using a Fast API backend. So this is the report. This is the input values I given to the software, and software produce CO2 emissions, water consumptions, uh, waste generated, recycled content, extended product life, reusable potential. And also it transfer this readings to an LLM. For now, I use Gemini LLM into it, and from that Gemini API, it will generate recommendation based upon the values given by our software, like increased recycled content to reduce emission, consider renewable energy sources to cut down CO2, or more and more recommendation with the help of an LLM model called Gemini. I also want to create a internet-based chatbot in it, and also define some predefined question. Uh, so this is the result given by the help of Gemini API key in my chatbot. So this is my overall project. Thank you for your time.